Hi, my name is Candice Chick, and this is my daughter.
Hi, I'm named Margaret.
I'm gonna show you how to shop for today's Atkins. Let's go. Today, let's get some strawberries because they're low glycemic, and a lot of people think on a low carb diet like Atkins, you can't have fruit, right? But we love our strawberries and they're great antioxidants too. We always shop the perimeter of the store for the most part because all the low carb options are really available for us when we shop the outside.
Yeah.
And what is avocado? Is avocado a good fat for us?
Yes.
Yeah, so let's get one of those today. Do you want to go get some spinach to put in the salad?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay. The foundation of Atkins is always tons of vegetables, right? So we love to get cauliflower because we make a cauliflower mash with it. So how about we get that today? Can we get some broccoli and we can steam it with some butter and salt and pepper? And we always love getting lettuce because we make lettuce wraps with cheeseburgers. We make tacos out of it. We can use it every day, right?
Yeah.
Being from California, we love our seafood, right? So we love to get some salmon sometimes and all different types of fish because it's a great protein for us to have on the Atkins low carb diet. So not only do we need to get some fish today, let's get some protein because we love all of our different types of meats. We love our chicken, and we always love our ground meat because we can do our tacos, right, with our lettuce wraps. And our cheeseburgers are always delicious to get too, right?
Mm-hmm.
For breakfast, we can always do bacon if we want for a special day. Being on a low carb diet doesn't mean we don't get to have our sweets, so we just get sugar substitutes to still make our cheesecake, our cookies, our brownies, because we love our desserts. Being a busy mom, always on the go, it's really nice that Atkins has products that are super nutritional for us when we don't have time to cook. So some of the options that I like is the chicken pot pie. And the other one is the pizza, because Friday night pizza is always great with the salad. And for mom on the go, she loves to have an omelet sometimes. Atkins gives us tons of options. One of our favorites is always the strawberry shakes. And we also love the harvest bars. And my personal favorite would be the peanut butter chocolate. But we all have that sweet tooth, so you can always go for a peanut butter cup. Today's Atkins is really about a great balance and healthy choices. And they're super simple to make, especially when you just shop the perimeter of the store. And it's really the best foods that you could ever eat to nourish a family on the go. Are you ready to go? Let's check out.